Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And to do this you'll need to open your app store right here, app gallery, and right here try to find app called Microsoft Edge. Select it and install it. After installation process is finished, you should be able to open this app. Right here, begin the setup, sign in to turn on synchronization, or do it later. You can set up for data sharing preferences. There's an option to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And finally, we can start browsing. So open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.